Hey guys, if you're tired of the same boring meals and want something that actually makes your taste buds dance, this one's for you. Today we're checking out the top 5 most mouth-watering recipes from the YouTube legend herself, Cooking with Tammy. These dishes are bold, flavorful, and perfect for your next lunch or dinner. Trust me, by the end of this video, you're gonna want to hit that kitchen ASAP. Let's dive in.
You think you've had good cabbage before? Wait till you taste this southern fried cabbage. It's smoky, juicy, and straight up addictive. Grab that cabbage, slice it thick, and don't skip this step. Cut the core out. That's the bitter part, and that's why folks end up adding sugar. We're not doing that here. In my skillet, I'm throwing in some chopped bacon, gotta render that fat, then in goes the sausage. I'm using kielbasa, but andouille works too. Pull that out once it's golden. Now we're talking onions, shallots, and bell peppers. Seasoned it up, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, Cajun spice, chicken bouillon, kosher salt. Let that saute till it smells like heaven. Pile that cabbage in, cover it up, and let it break down. Once it softens, hit it with Worcestershire sauce, vinegar, crushed chilies. We're making this bold, baby. Now toss that bacon and sausage back in, stir it up real good. This right here, this is Southern comfort in a skillet. No sugar needed, no sides required. If you want flavor that hits different, make this Southern fried cabbage tonight. Y'all ever had turkey wings so tender they fall clean off the bone? Stick around because these Southern-style smothered turkey wings are about to steal your Sunday dinner. Grab about 5 turkey wings and let's season them up right. Hit them with garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, paprika for color, smoked paprika for that fire flavor, Montreal chicken seasoning, Italian herbs, crushed red pepper, all-purpose seasoning, and a little chicken bouillon. Don't forget a little oil and make that rub spread like butter on toast. Now toss in some sliced onions, throw in a few chunks of butter, sprinkle fresh parsley, and pour water along the sides of your baking dish. Don't wash off that seasoning. Cover it up tight and bake at 375 or crank it to 400 if you're feeling bold. While that bakes, mix up your gravy. 2 cups water, a turkey gravy packet, a little bouillon powder, and a spoon of flour. Whisk it smooth, no lumps allowed. Then pour that goodness around your turkey wings and bake again till that sauce thickens up real nice. When I say tender, I mean fall off the bone tender. Juicy, buttery, smoky, just like Grandma used to make. This Cajun shrimp and sausage skillet is straight up fire. You'll be drooling before it even hits the plate. First, grab a big old russet potato, dice it evenly so everything cooks the same. Toss those bad boys with oil, smoked paprika, a little adobo, cayenne, Cajun spice, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, pepper, and roasted garlic herb seasoning. Give it a good mix till they look golden and ready to crisp up. Now slice up your sausage and onion, go diagonal or cubed, doesn't matter, and chop up some red and green bell peppers for that color pop. Time for the shrimp, little oil, smoked paprika, Old Bay, and keep those tails on for that fancy look. Mix it till it's fully coated. Get that cast iron hot, fry your potatoes till they're crispy and golden, then brown your sausages in another pan. Slide in those onions and peppers, keep them a little crunchy, fold in your seasoned potatoes, add your sausages back in, and finally toss in those sizzling shrimp. Let it all soak up the flavor, top it with parsley, and boom, dinner's done. It's smoky, spicy, and loaded with flavor. Want to make that holiday ham that'll have everybody talking? Stick around because this honey brown sugar glazed ham is pure fire. Grab a spiral sliced hickory smoked ham, that's your star. Then we're mixing up some pineapple juice, light brown sugar, honey, Dijon mustard, and unsalted butter. Trust me, that flavor combo hits different. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, cover that ham with foil, and let it heat up for about 45 minutes. Now let's make that glaze. Melt some butter in a hot skillet, pour in your honey, pineapple juice, brown sugar, and Dijon mustard, let it simmer down till it's thick and glossy, then hit it with a little cornstarch slurry for that perfect sticky glaze. Pour that saucy magic all over your ham, bake another 15 minutes, glaze again, and back in for one last round. What you get? That caramelized, juicy, honey brown sugar perfection that'll steal the whole table. Try this one out and thank me later, it's next level good. I'm about to show you how to make the best fried chicken you've ever had. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, no takeout needed. Let's get into it. First, grab your seasonings. Adobo, canned pepper, onion powder, white pepper, paprika, garlic powder, chicken bouillon, Cajun spice, and a little of that all-purpose chicken seasoning magic. Add a drizzle of oil, mix it all up till that chicken's coated and beautiful. Beat a couple eggs, splash in your favorite hot sauce, I'm talking Crystal or Frank's, and get that chicken wet and ready. For the dry mix, toss flour, cornstarch, and the same seasonings in a bag, shake it up good, then coat those pieces till they look perfect. Now heat that oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or bump it to 365 so it stays hot when you drop your chicken in. Fry till golden brown and crispy, about 165 inside. Juicy, tender, and straight up flavor packed. Pull up to a cookout with this and folks will swear you bought it from a chicken joint. And don't forget, like, share, and subscribe to Chow America for more fire recipes.